Now again, just focus here. The time adverbials of about present perfect about present perfect, like just, like already, you know, just already. You can say the time adverbials are just, already, it, okay. These are the generally time adverb used in present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, like he has just eaten. He has just eaten. Okay, already, like I have already joined this. I have already joined the new school. Okay, I've already joined a new school. Similarly, he hasn't visited. KTM it. Okay, these are the time adverbials. Just means what? Something happened. Something happened before some time ago. Okay. Similarly, already. No, something happened. Before the given time. मतलब समय जुन दिएको तोकेको हुन्छ त्योभन्दा अघि नै कुनै काम हो, हैन. Similarly, other is it. It means, it hasn't happened. It hasn't happened up to now. That is about it is generally used in negative sentence. This is all about the present perfect. Pause it on. Now again, the last one is, that is present perfect continuous. Last one is present perfect continuous. So present perfect continuous is used for what kind of action? The action which started in past, continue in present, and more chance that it will be continue in future. For such an action, present perfect continuous tense is used. So actually see here about the present perfect continuous tenses. See the examples. I have been teaching since 2008. Okay, or they have been watching TV for 2 hours. Okay, so a structure easily you can form, that is subject plus has, have plus been plus before plus object. This is the affirmative one. Similarly, subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus before plus object. This is the negative one. And interrogative is what? Has, have plus subject plus been plus before plus object and question mark. This is the interrogative. So this structure very easily you can form. The subject A, B, here is B4, like this. And main thing here we have to understand, that is the uses of present perfect. Okay, so uses of present perfect is generally it is used for what kind of action? I have already told you that it is used for an action. For an action which started in past. Continue in present. And more chance to be continued in future. For such an action, present perfect continuous tense. Just like I have been teaching since you can relate this uses with these examples. I have been teaching since 2000. मतलब 2008 देखि नै म पढाउँदै आइरहेको छु. The action started in 2008. Still it is in a continuous form, and more chance that I will continue my profession. So that is about the present perfect continuous. Similarly, like they have been watching TV for 2 hours. In this example, they also very much concerned with this uses. They have been watching TV for 2 hours. So generally, it has a single uses, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. And now about the time adverbials. About the time adverbials. Generally, time for and since is used. For and since is used in present perfect continuous tense. So for and since is used sometimes in some extent in a present perfect also, but generally in present perfect continuous. So for is used for period of time. Okay, focus here. This is very important. Period of time. And since is used for point of time. So period of time is what? If it has a duration, कुनै अवधि छ भने यति घण्टादेखि यति घण्टासम्म अथवा यति मिनेटदेखि हैन, duration is used for duration. A point of time means fixed timetable. That is since point of time. Like you can see the example. He has been living in Janakpur since 2010. Since 2010 is what? Fixed timetable. That's why since is used here. Okay, but when you say he has been living in Janakpur for 10 years. So this 10 years is a period of time. That's why for is used. So this is difference between for and since, and for and since is used in present perfect continuous tense. So hope students you have understood about the tenses. So these are the structure of all tenses of present tense. That is simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and with their uses and with their examples. And one more important thing is only learning is not important, practice is important. So I hope you have some kind of grammar book from which you can now practice about the correct uses of verbs. There is given or correct tense is given. So you must continue to do the exercises from your grammar books, and even I will add some exercises in page 2, whatever the page I will recommend there. Similarly, we will continue our journey of tenses in next video. Thank you very much. Okay.